Hello guys, this is Turtle1477 bringing you some more Paladin gameplay. And this is my first round ever playing Maeve because I just unlocked her. She's level 0 and I'm gonna see if I can do anything. So she's a tricky character, but I mean, I think she's pretty tricky, but I don't know. Other people I've seen have had pretty good success with her. So I think I'll be able to probably rock her too. Ooh. Okay, so activating 9 lives cleanses all ground control. I mean, I don't have any others and don't have the stuff to buy any others, so sounds like a plan. Cronus is always super good. Okay, so she's daggers, dashes forwards, left shift. And what's Q? What does Q do? Q, reset the cooldowns of pounce and prowl. 65 increased jump height, firing your weapon. Oh, so it's like a getaway ability, prowl, and then this one just removes the cooldown from this and this. Cool. I like her already. Well, we'll see. I mean, I don't know if she'll be very stealthy is my thing. Because, like, what's her face? Where'd that lady... Oh, she went invisible. I really hate her. She's such a strong character. And she's a healer, too. First blood. And my first kill as... Oh, wait, yeah, you can double jump. Man, this is dope. I like the right click very much. Because you can sort of like jump in, you know. Now Q's a weird ability because I feel like they just added that Q because they had no idea what else they should add. Oh wait, do I get healing during this? Oh, that's so sick. I get healing during prowl. Okay, I really like that. But yeah, I feel like they just added Q because they didn't know what else to add. You know? Okay, she just stuck me with her. Okay, that was dumb. Okay, my aim with her is not the bestest. I mean, it's not trash. Oh, that is a massive jump. Oh wait, yeah, I should be double jumping more. I totally forgot I can do that. And what's her alt? Oh, everybody's screens go dark. I think that's what happens. That sucks. Okay, so wait, is that... Okay, the Androxus is dead, but... I think I'm muted. Yeah. It's that dual healer thing. We had triple healers in one match. I thought it was dumb. Turns out, it's how you win everything. Always. Oh shoot, that prowl is pretty nasty, and then I can just immediately use it again to get more heals. Spiffy. That is actually sick. Dude. I love the right click because you don't have to aim it like you do her other things. You sort of like aim those two little, you know, you aim the things and then you just sort of can right click. I mean, you really should spam them actually. Okay. That works way better. Double kill. You also seem to get a ton of double kills as Maeve. Just by, I mean, that is, I only think that because of watching other people play Maeve, like, while watching plays of the game after matches against Maeves, where they always seem to have double kills or triple kills and be the best player there for some weird reason. Wow, that Androxus is shutting me down. Okay, I'm gonna get Haven. Ooh, tons of life rip. All the life rip. Yeah, actually, life rip is really dope. Q, shift again. Yeah, I don't like her Q because I wish there was a real ability. Oh shoot, I was trying to left shift to use my right click. I don't know. I feel like you get a lot of kills, but you probably die a lot because she's really tricky to get out of areas with. Because like, what's her face? What's the invisible lady? Sky. Sky can just run away from, like, she can just go invisible or throw down a smoke bomb. But then Maeve here, she's gotta just basically run. I mean, which works pretty dang well because she runs so fast, and then you can use that second ability. I really hate when a Maeve runs away because you can barely hit them because they're like cat mode. And it's annoying. She also doesn't have to reload because she reloads every shot, which I like. Yeah, I actually really like that. That's cool. Ha, they can't see me no more. Just use that Q just so I can get my left shift back and run. I should be using my double jump more. Where is he at? Where is he? Okay, yeah, actually, seriously, where's that Androxus? He was so weak. Oh, he's dead. Okay, well, I mean, that's good. Annoying, but good. I had that kill, though. I really hate that healer, the Ceres. I don't know, she feels like a lame healer to me because her abilities are sort of easy, like everything about her is easy, and I don't like it because then a ton of people play her, end up doing super good, and they're not usually very good. But I mean, I guess she just annoys me because you can be way better than them, but you can get killed by her because she's like spamming her Qs. She's spamming her attacks just down straight corridors, basically. Okay, I'm gonna just run away while they can't see me. That's really cool. I like how you can just midnight. I don't understand the purpose of it, but it's cool. Okay, I'm not really getting many kills. I feel like I'm putting out a buttload of damage, though. But I don't know, because her knives do like 900 together, and that's a ton. Okay, which way is this Andro gonna come out? Hope he comes out that way. Alright, yeah, definitely coming out this side. They killed him before I could get him. Yes. Just chasing him down. Wait, we need our people to stay on the point more, maybe? That'd be actually really helpful. At least we're winning. I'm really surprised by that, because I feel like they keep going off the point, you know? Just spam those abilities. Wait, do I get health when I use my Q? So I thought I just got health. Eric, Far Cry 3. Hate the Far Cry games. Yep. Very open-minded. Whoop. Just duck in and you can't get that shot out on you. You're so fast with the crowd, like you can one jump. Ooh, does that Ying kill me? No, it's the Andrew. Okay. I was like, the Ying got me? Wow, that is. Oh, he ulted me. I don't like dying to ults, but I mean, I'm happy that it's not just normal kills, because, I mean, ults are really dying to an ult should not be ashamed. You should not be ashamed because you died to an ult. Because you can rarely do anything about it. Wow, that snuck up on me. I could have sworn they were way farther away from winning that round. Didn't get play of the game. Alright, see you all next time. And goodbye for now.